Okay, what you're seeing here is my gourd with the skin, my gourd without the skin. I put 2 nails in it, one here, and I'm going to work on the gourd with the skin first. And I've got my Lichtenburg device all set up and ready to go. This, what I'm putting on here, is some water with baking soda dissolved in it. You have 1 cup of hot water with 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and you have a very nice way to conduct the electricity. Now this is going to be a little bit less than scientific, because I'm just going to count out loud the seconds that I hold it down. So I'm turning on the Lichtenburg device right now. Now it's off. Now it's on. Got 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000, 16, 1,000, 17, 1,000, 18, 1,000, 19, 1,000, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 44 seconds for the lightnings to match up. That took longer than I expected, but that's okay. I had quite a fire there going for a second. Okay, now I'm going to put the alligator clip on the other. Let me make sure it's not hot. Oh, it is hot. Okay. Take the alligator clip, put it on the other nail. I'm going to coat this one with some of the water. Now this one, because it doesn't have the skin, the water in baking soda solution soaks in much easier. Okay, I'll let that soak in a little bit while I open the window. Okay, sorry about the noise. I turned on the fan and for this next burn. Alright, are we ready? About the same distance away. And here it goes. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3. It stopped. Just a second. Let me recoat the spot that dried. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000, 16, 1,000, 17 1000, 18 1000, 19 1000, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. I don't think I need to count anymore because it's obviously taking longer. But the patterns are very nice. Let's see how long, let's keep going until they meet. Oh, here they go. And almost. So close. And off. Alright, I'm going to let that cool off a bit. So the one with there's a lot of variables here. The one without the skin took longer, but it's got a lot of really nice patterns. Just a second, I'll hold it up to the camera to show you. Alright, now this is the burning from the gourd with the skin. It's nice patterns that really branched out there quite a bit. I was surprised at how much it branched. Okay. Here's the pattern of the gourd without the skin. Now I'm not sure if it's more detailed or not. What do you think? Put in the comments below whether you think it's more detailed without the skin or more detailed with the skin. And while you're at it, click on the like button and click on the subscribe button so that you can see all my videos. Alright, that's our video for the day. You all have a good day. Be kind, be caring, and be creative. Bye-bye.